Hey everybody, this is Greg Sprunk with Superior Cleaning Equipment again. We are excited to record another video on the LFT series. Last week we shot a video on the LFT skids and the LFT trailer. It's been a very popular product. They decided this time to come out with an LFT Cage, which is the portable version in the LFT series. 4 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI. You've got a 14 horsepower Karcher direct drive engine, okay? This unit comes, again, with a 4-year warranty. We warranty this unit. We stock parts for it. We have it as authorized Karcher dealers. It's a great little unit. It's got a downdraft burner, okay? And this unit here, what a downdraft burner means, it's more efficient, okay, than a regular 12 or 120 volt burner. You've got a direct drive pump, 7-year warranty, again, 4 years on this. You've got flat free tires, okay? And one thing that's interesting about this unit, I think, is it's got a very low center of gravity. So you can move it around pretty easy. I'm an old guy, okay? Not that strong. But you've got your on-off switch here. You've got your hour meter, your adjustable thermostat, your fuel tank right here, your diesel fuel tank, good sized diesel tank. But it's easy to maneuver, okay? Kind of pivots on that kind of, in this kind of a process. You've got 4 different color-coded nozzles. You've got a wand. It comes with a wand, gun, 50 foot of hose, downstream chemical injector nozzle. You've got an easy access service panel on both sides of these, easy to get to. You just pop these sides off. Your water goes here, your outlet goes here, and again, 4,000 PSI. 4 gallons a minute. Nice unit. But the best thing about these LFT series products is the price. This unit retails for around $8,000. You can always get a better deal from us as a local dealer, or you can buy it online from us as well. But this is probably one of the best values in portable hot waters that's out there today. And this new downdraft burner on this unit, we've had a little bit of experience with them, much more fuel efficiency. We'll get the number for you on the exact number, but I've heard somewhere around the neighborhood of 20 to 30% in fuel savings on the diesel fuel on this as well. So take a look at it. It's online. You can find it at www.sceclean.com. And of course, we have stores in Phoenix, San Diego, and Mesa. So we really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. We hope you like it. I hope it provided some value. If you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call, and please visit us at, again, sceclean.com. Thanks.